Hey Sagittarius, I'm Quenrella. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to your reading. Welcome to Friday. I just wanted to pop on and share a reading with you all. I also have a wish store with Evil Eye Protection. It's under Quenrella LLC. I also appreciate any donations. The information is down in the description box. Let's get started. I'm pulling in this energy for the full moon in Aries, and it could be of any energy, but from romance to finance to family. So I'm going to go ahead and shuffle out the cards and see what Spirit wants us to hear from them. Okay? We got the Wheel of Fortune. We got the Empress. We got the Page of Swords. Right off the bat, I feel like your karma is well. Your karma is good. People are throwing things at you, darts at you, and you are dodging them, and Spirit is protecting you as if it's nothing. Okay? Because you are a chosen one. Okay? Divinely protected. Chosen one. Okay? So therefore, with you being a chosen one, you are protected from gossip, smart mouth people, people that try to put out subliminals, people that try to send evil intention towards you. It all bounces right back to them. Every time they try, Spirit just makes sure that you are right. Dodge every single last attack that these individuals try to have sent towards you. Why? Because you are a chosen one. This has been going on since you was a child, probably 5 years old. They seen the star quality in you and started trying to tear you down, started trying to deter you from your task and your dreams. I feel like it didn't work then, and it's not working now. See, it seems like this past energy is coming back to haunt you. Somebody from your past, after you evolved, how many times you have upgraded, how many times you have uploaded and did downloads, how many times, 3, 6, 7 times you have grown, evolved, changed, transformed. And here go this person, and since it's still coming off as an energy like childlike, I'm having a feeling like this is a parental unit. And even though you're grown, they're trying to treat you as if you're a child. This individual may have been bothering you since you was a child, and I feel like it's a mother figure or a parental figure. Justice is coming for this individual that continues to keep on trying to cause you harm in your lifespan. I feel like if you understand about reincarnation, that this individual may have been a former life enemy. And even though they're a parental figure and they should love you unconditionally, I feel like they're trying to feast off your energy. Beautiful or handsome, I feel like they are. I feel like they're not happy that you transformed. I feel like they still want to keep you as a child so that they can keep on, I want to say tearing you down, because this don't look like a stance of a hug. This is like somebody coming for you, okay? So it's about control. It's about feasting on your energy. Justice is coming for this individual. Can you clarify the justice card, please, spirits? Justice from what happened to you when you were a child. Whatever it was that took place when you were a child, the injustice that happened to you, this is why the justice is coming. Because this person continued to hawk you, harass you, mentally abuse you, and sometimes physically. on your life trail. This has been going on since you was 5. Some of y'all since y'all was 5, I'm getting. And some of y'all has been since you was 3. I'm sorry. So therefore, justice is evening out. And what else was going to happen to these individuals is they've been brought this upon themselves. They're going to have an illness being brought upon them. You understand? They're going to have nothing but bad news from the medical field. See, I feel like this person wished this on you. I feel like they tried to keep you sick as a child as well. This energy. And I feel like now it's all turning back around on them because you know your power. You're staying protected. So whatever they're doing to you is bouncing back onto them. 5 of hazards is a caution. That lets you know that somebody is ill. Hazard. Don't go around them. They're coughing. We know about COVID, what's going on, you know. So 5 feet. More than 5 feet away. This individual is coming up as the Queen of Wands because they tried to make you sick with their dark magic. They tried to make you sick in the community by lying on you. They tried to make you sick by telling people that you were mentally unstable. This person now is going to be seen in the same light that they tried to paint for you. Now this is why their life is all in shambles and destruction around. Okay? I feel like this energy have took too much of your emotional well-being for too much of your time of your life. So what was done to you will be done to them. Ace of Cups. When they were hateful to you, it will be hateful to them. When they wanted you to be sad, now they'll be sad. They wanted you in anguish, they'll be in anguish. They wanted you in hunger, they'll be in hunger. They didn't want you accepted. They didn't want you loved. That's what's going to happen with them. This is their judgment. They did this to themselves. As you can see, the bomb is coming down on their head. They dropped this bomb on themselves by messing with a chosen one. So now, whenever they go into the neighborhood, this individual is ignored. Don't nobody want nothing to do with them, and they don't want them around. The 9 of hazards, people want to stay away from them. This is the end for this individual. Whether they realize it or not, even if they try to kiss up to you, butter up to you, this is in between them and their higher power. And therefore, there's no way that you can save this individual. With the 21 card, this person could only have 21 more days, or this person could only have 21 more minutes. This person has really wore their time out with the universe. You understand what I'm saying? I'm trying to say that their time is running out. You're not the only individual that they hurt. And if this is in fact a parental figure that's been bothering you for this long, 21 is their last year. 2021 will be their last year of life. That's all I have for you, Sagittarius. I'm going to look into this angel energy real quick for you. Please accept yourself. These people have tried for so long to make you feel like you weren't a valid individual. They tried to turn you into a black sheep. They tried to make you feel less than what you are. You are a chosen one. You are a star child. Therefore, when they mess with you, they mess with the wrong one. Time's up. Okay? So, I appreciate you for stepping in the room, allowing me into your energy, and hopefully soon you'll feel harmonious and that there's a peaceful resolution to this situation. But you didn't have nothing to do with this. This individual brought this energy upon themselves. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to reading for you again soon. Agape.